Namaste parents and hello my dear kids. Today with this video we are going to celebrate our Independence Day. Now you must all be thinking, what is independence? Now independence means being free, right? Free from something. So our country India got independence today and it was in 1947. So today you will see this video and me and my other colleagues will help you to understand what is independence. And as parents and teachers, it is totally wrong to believe that a little child would not understand such a big word, what is independence, right? It is our duty to teach them from a very early age that our national festivals and our national things are very important to us and we should all respect them and follow the rules and regulations which are there for our country and for our betterment. Only if we train our children well, they will be a good human being and also responsible for the development of our country. And with the help of my colleagues, I am going to show you today how to celebrate the independence, what are the things that we need, what are the national symbols that are used in the Independence Day, and what should we do to respect them.
Today I am going to tell you about some freedom fighters. The Independence Day celebration is done on a vast scale. Every government building is decorated with colorful lights. You know what our freedom fighters did for our country? Let me tell you. Let me first name some of our freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more. They all sacrificed their lives fighting for our country, and that's how we got freedom on this day. That's why every individual of the country pays tribute to them.
I am going to tell you about our national flag. The national flag of India is a symbol of freedom and unity of the country. It is rectangular in shape and it is also called as tricolor or tiranga as it has three colors. The topmost color is saffron. White is in the middle and lowermost color is green. The saffron color symbolizes courage and sacrifice. White color symbolizes truth, while the green color symbolizes faith and prosperity. It has an Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes in blue color at the center. The national flag is hoisted on occasions like Independence Day, Republic Day and other important events. It is made up of khadi cloth. It is a symbol of our freedom struggle, national pride and history. We must always respect and honor of our national flag.
On this occasion of Independence Day, we are going to make a tricolor badge which you can wear on your clothes to celebrate this day. And let's make a tricolor badge, okay? So kids, first you have to take 8 to 10 earbuds. Kids, these earbuds are available on any medical shop. One sketch pen, one pencil, one water bottle cap, one small button and two watercolor. One is green and another is orange. Some glue and small piece of cardboard and small piece of paper. So kids, this is paper tape. If you don't have this type of tape, then you can use any type of tape. Now take water bottle cap and put it on the cardboard, and with the help of pencil make a circle on the cardboard. Now with the help of your parents cut it out. Now again take water bottle cap and put it on the paper and make a circle with the help of pencil. Again with the help of your parents, cut it out. Now with the help of glue, stick this circle paper on the cardboard. Now take orange and green color of plate. Then take a 3 earbud and dip this cotton side into the green color. Now do also same with 3 earbuds for orange color. Now take this colored earbud and put them aside for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, your color earbud has been dry and ready. Now with the help of your parents, cut them from both sides. Now also cut 2 simple earbuds. Now kids, you have orange, white and green color earbuds. Now take the circle cardboard and with the help of glue, stick them in a manner. Their orange earbuds are on the top, white on the middle and green at the bottom as our Indian flag. Now stick it one by one. Now take a button and put it on the white paper and with the help of pencil make a circle. Now with the help of your parents, cut it out. Now take this small circle and with the help of sketch pen, if you don't have this type of sketch pen, then you can use blue marker and make 24 strips like this. Now with the help of glue, stick this small circle on the center of this circle cardboard. Now take one safety pin and on the back side of the circle cardboard, with the help of tape, stick the safety pin. See children, we have prepared a badge for Independence Day. Children, you have to do this activity with the help of your parents and make Indian flag badge for yourself and also for your friends. Okay, now Happy Independence Day.
Whenever I see flags on the road, that really breaks my heart. Flag is a symbol of our national pride. We must treat it with great respect, right? So we have to follow rules about our national flag, okay? Avoid plastic flag and choose paper flag. The national flag should be hoisted at a height in a suitable manner. The flag should not be stooped downwards in respect to any person. The flag should not be allowed to touch the ground or trail in water. Only on Independence Day and Republic Day, flower petals are kept inside the flag before it's unfurled.
So, on this day, let's take a pledge that we in India will work hard towards the progress of our motherland to keep up her name and fame. We will let our tricolor flag fly high in the sky to let the world know that we are great. We, the people of India, are thankful to those who fought for the independence of our country. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
So, at last, with great respect and joy, stand up on your place and get ready for our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंगा
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे
गाहे तव जय गाथा
जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day from the bottom of my heart. Jai Hind.